Hey guys, and welcome to Nomadic Dmitry channel. So today we are exploring the Polanco neighborhood, which is considered like quite a glancy, nice neighborhood in Mexico City. And I definitely just wanted to show you how it looks like, because there are so many people saying not exactly good things about Mexico, and I just wanted to basically show you around. I think many people are missing the point, which basically this is very beautiful country and many places to see around here. And as you can see, it's very quite cultural. I don't know about all the statues here, to be honest. Yeah, I'm not not the person who explores all those objects, but still, I mean, just when you walk around, it feels really nice. So let's basically just go ahead and take a look at the neighborhood, and I'm just gonna walk you through it. And you know, guys, I had a bunch of plans for this year. I wanted to travel around many places, wanted to go to I don't know, South America and just discover countries there. And as you can see, all those plans basically failed, but at the same time, I mean, I think we all just took some lessons out of this year. Maybe not good ones, maybe bad ones, but a bunch of lessons basically. So I think it's just time to reflect and understand what's going on in the world. So let's just go ahead and see. And yeah, I mean, I don't want to talk about all the stuff when I'm just walking around those beautiful streets of Mexico City. So yeah.
Polanco neighborhood is one of those neighborhoods in Mexico City that it's so glancy that at some point you feel like you are living in some typical European city. This is not a neighborhood that I would recommend you to see when you want to form a first impression of Mexico City. Try Roma, Centro or Coyoacan to see Mexico City from the right historical angle. But if you want to shop around in the expensive stores, walk through perfectly clean paved streets, this is actually a good option. There are many expats living in Polanco because they want access to Costco, Best Buy, big shopping malls and everything that's related to it. I wanted to say a few words about how I got to love the Mexico City. My first visit to Mexico was visiting Los Cabos in 2015. I love the place, I love the vibe, but I wanted to see more. That's why in 2017 I visited Tijuana, which is a border town in Mexico right next to San Diego, California. It was also good, but I wanted more. I craved more. That's why in 2018 I visited Mexico City the first time, and I fell in love with the city. I've spent 3 months there, and even when I left I wanted to return back all the time. This city actually combines all the cultural things in Mexico all together. That's why I just loved it. That's why I returned there in 2020 as well. I just knew I wanted to see the city, meet my good friends and just re-explore the city once again. I've stayed primarily in places nearby Chapultepec Park and Polanco. Of course, I also visited Condesa, Roma and Coyoacan. Each neighborhood is different and I recommend you explore those for yourself. You can walk around, take Uber or take the metro to explore the town. All options are available for you. I love Mexico City and I love Mexico. It gave me so much interesting memories that I want to keep with me forever. Thank you, Mexico.
Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe to the channel. There will be more videos, more travel videos, more tech videos like operating system reviews and all the stuff.